As with any machine learning models, it is also very important what kind of data are on the input in our system. When our AI simulates how people think, feel, and behave, it is the same as for every other machine learning system. Garbage in, garbage out. This is why we are very careful on how we curate the data sets that then help our models to simulate your customers. Just to illustrate the scale of it, if you consider there are 10 million people living in the Czech Republic. For our digital copy of the Czech Republic, we have 10 million digital respondents, and each of these digital respondents is formed by thousands of data points, hundreds of thousands of data points. With one data point, you can imagine something like age or risk aversion or whether they have kittens at home. This is a vast data set that we created just for making sure that the simulations represent the real world as accurately as we can. The data sets can be in general divided into 4 categories. The first category is open data, basically all the statistical offices, Eurostat, reports from Deloitte, anything with a bit of luck you would also find on the internet. With the second layer, things get a bit more complicated, because the second layer is academic research from our university partners. We cooperate with different universities to get access to data on economics or, for example, more advanced features like the distribution of risk aversion in general population. The third category of data comes from our research partners. That means agencies that collected this data before with real people. One example, Brent data. Brent data got calibrated based on real humans from real agencies that answered the surveys, questionnaires. So we know who buys what, who is satisfied with what kind of product or service, and we also know who follows what kind of media. The fourth part, probably the most important part, is the client data. At this point, all the data sets that we have, the majority of the data sets get used only to catalyze the data you already have. We do not want to sell you the data you currently own. What would be the point of it? We want to upcycle the data you already have to inform more decisions for more people. And this way, we also created the system with this in mind. We want to keep your data safe and secure. So for every new customer, we create a dedicated instance where we encapsulate all the data from your company so that it doesn't spill over to either our data sets or to your competition. We don't want that. You don't want that. What would be the point of it?